Now, I am an admittedly weird person, but one of the things I like to do in Excel is build what I call a two-variable analysis grid. So one of the classic examples is selling your home. If I think I can sell my home for $325, $350, or $375, and I think that I'll have to pay a realtor 4%, 5%, or 6%. I can build a grid that does all these calculations for me. So what is it going to be at $325,000 and 4%, $350 and 4%, etc. And I can do that with one formula. So we say equals 325 times 1 minus 4%, right? We're going to get 96% of the sale value. And this is setting aside some other considerations if you sell a house, but just looking at brokerage commission. And that works. That calculation works for that cell. Now, if we want it to work for every cell, we need to lock in the references. We need to say, never quit referencing row 2. That's where our sale prices are. And never quit referencing column B. And then I can take that, copy it, paste it. And if I come over here, now I'm referencing E2, right? Great. And I'm referencing B5. Great. So by using the $sign to fix part of the cell reference, I was able to write that formula once and use it for every single cell. And then, of course, you'd make this much prettier than it is.